Welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to use the new stolen device protection feature on iPhone iOS 17.3. This will adding a layer 2 security aims to provide peace at night in case your iPhone and passcode are stolen. First, we're gonna go to Setting. Go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Now, you're gonna find and select Stolen Device Protection and turn it on. When it is enabled, sensitive actions require Face ID or Touch ID authentication and have a 1-hour security delay before re-authentication. This delay is not necessary if your phone is being used in a familiar location, such as home or workplace. And if you forgot your passcode, you can try to erase your phone. You can quickly reset your phone from the screen. You just need to attempt to enter the wrong passwords 4 times, then click on Forgot Password option. Enter your Apple ID password to reset your phone and regain access again. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the next one.